Hi, let us talk about a new interesting fact in Python. So, we all know that by default, whether we have a sequence of strings, characters or integers, they are separated from each other by the help of space. Now let's say instead of space, we can use any other character or any operator or anything else. Now to understand this more, let's see the following example. So, can you guess a program for this? The given program tells us a way to do that in Python. When you run this program, you will get the output as this. Now, the question arises that how is it actually working in Python? Those of us who are coming from C++ or Java, we find it very interesting because in C++ and Java, we have no such inbuilt function. But in Python, in the print function, we has the parameter which is called sep. Now the sep works like in a string, it replaces all the spaces with a given character or anything which is given in input as the parameter of sep. This is how sep parameter works in Python. Hope you enjoyed the video, and next video we will discuss another interesting fact.